Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing well and thank you for clicking this video. Today I have a beautiful journal to show you. I am really happy to finally finish this project and I call this journal Be Blessed. The size of this journal is 8.5 by 7 inches including the binding wires. It has approximately 226 inside pages. I used the beautiful scrapbook paper by Ciro and the name of the paper pad is Under the Tuscan Sun. I also added beautiful ephemera that can be moved around. And there are plenty of Bible quotes on hope and God's promises. For the closure, this is a plain muslin cloth that is not attached to the journal. And this is the back. The covers are Mod Podge to stay protected and for longer use. There are also coffee stain paper, line paper, and parchment paper for inside pages. So let us take a look inside. This is the front cover and this image is really lovely, and then I added these pretty buttons. I did some stitching around the image, and this is from the paper pad Under the Tuscan Sun. And this adorable image is sealed with Mod Podge. There are tags, postcards, and beautiful cards inside that can be moved around. For the inside front cover, I had a pocket here, and there are some inserts. This is a vintage music sheet that is also Mod Podge. Here is a repair tag. You can journal on the back. And these are vintage postcards. And this is a time card. And look at this gorgeous paper pad. Really beautiful. So this is the first Bible verse by Jeremiah. And I use my old Commodore to type this Bible verse. And here is a really beautiful blank card. This is parchment paper, and I use my Martha Stewart punch for decoration, and these are journaling cards. And another verse, this is by Romans, and I did some stamping also. We are on the last few pages. These are Kraft lined paper, and these are coffee stain paper. I also added a Kraft paper bag to put goodies on. For the inside back cover, there's a pocket and some inserts. These are journaling cards, and this is a vintage sheet. So this is the Be Blessed journal. I'm so happy that I finished this. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you like it. This will be listed again in my Etsy shop, Neldascrafts, and I will provide the link on the description below. Once again, thanks so much everyone for watching my video and for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And I hope you have a blessed week. Thank you. Bye now.